Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku Heavy in today's newspaper on Friday, yes, almost weekend, Friday, November the 12th, 2021, and I've told you we have only two regular Sudokus. I've already solved one, the Sudoku Light, so one puzzle left, Sudoku Heavy, and I've told you it is a newspaper, daily newspaper. We have no additional, so I have decided to solve the additional of Tuesday later on. Yeah, November the 9th. But first we will solve this heavy Sudoku. And today, yes, special day, because today there will be an announcement of the government. Will there be a lockdown or partial lockdown? I do not know, because the numbers is still increasing. Numbers, yeah. People are infected with corona, so yeah. We will see. I don't like lockdowns, but anyway, let's get started with this heavy Sudoku number 3672. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. In additional, this will be a 3 stars Sudoku. For 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Position the camera. Let me position the camera. Okay. Let me scan the puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. 1, 2, 3 twos, 2 threes, 3 4 fours, 2 fives, 2 sixes, 2 7, 3 sevens, 2 eights, 3 eights, and 2 nines. Oh, interesting. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 7, 8, 5, 7. Okay. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. The 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Okay. Okay. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then. Yeah. Let me see. 8, 3, 9, 9, 1, 1, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 4, 5. No, 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 no. Yeah, let me think. Interesting. Two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. There are 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in this column. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8, we see hand 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright. Six should be here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. This is complicated. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 4, the 5, and the 8. We have a 4, the 5, and the 8 in this row. So no 4, the 5, and the 8 in this box. The 4 and the 5 goes in those 3 boxes. 4, 5, and 8. Well, we have an 8 there, so 4 or the 5. The 4, 5, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square should be for the number 6. Okay. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 1, 2, 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Yeah. 3, 3. I'm thinking. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 1 is missing. And the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. So the next step is 2 in the third, last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in the first column. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Okay. 7. 9, 5. 6 6 6 1 9. 3 3. Come on, it's taking too long. 6 6. Interesting. 6 6. Come on. 8 8. 2 2. I'm thinking. 3. No. 9 and a 5. 5 8. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 4. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. You see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then. How about the 4 in this column? 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and 8. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 5 and 8. How about these 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this third column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. We have a pair, 7 and 8 in the first row, 7 and 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So that column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between, only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Okay. Alright. 2 in this row, 2 in the first row. So the row between, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so I cannot place the 2 anymore in this box. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 8 in this column. Oh wait, 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 5. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. 1 box left in the second row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Okay. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. 3 stars? No. I think this is rather a 2 stars. For 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 18 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the other 4 puzzles in additional, not in today's newspaper, not of the Tuesday newspaper. Yes, see you then. Bye bye for now.